Hello everyone, I'm Claudio from Cartitude. Welcome back in our studio. We have here an Audi RS6. We did full front end extended Ultimate Plus PPF, interior PPF on gloss black trims and displays, and rear tire kit on the rear bumper, high impact area, door handles, some just extra little bits. The rest of the car was protected with G-Technic ceramic coating. On top of the PPF we applied halo ceramic coating and total bundle protection for wheels, windows, full interior leather fabrics Alcantara. Every little piece of this RS6 is now fully protected. Let's see the process, guys.